Go to the Tools panel in Affinity Photo and select the Pen tool. Click and you will add a node. Hold down the Shift key and you'll see a line as you go across there. Now if you go over there, you can see it 90, there 45. Now just click there and now you've added another node and you've now got a very quick diagonal line. Now if you want to duplicate that, what you can do, hold down the Alt or Option key and then you can duplicate. And to do that, you can see, just move it across. Now you might like to use the grid, makes it probably easy to use. Just go to the View menu and Show Grid. And you can create a grid that can help you. But just move it a certain distance and then release. Now what you can now do is use a power transform, which should duplicate this. Command J or Control J and just go straight across there. Now you'll notice there's a drift and that's why I suggest probably using a grid. Makes it a bit easier. But even with the grid, sometimes it actually makes it still goes to this angle, which is not ideal. You can still see it's still at 45 degrees, just happens to be just going drifting downwards. Now what you can do is you can select all of those and you can group them all. Now you of course could create more than that. I've created 47 apparently. So I can click group just in the top left there. Now I can recolor this. Now I go to layers, you can see all there, but I can go again to the pen tool and you can see then I've got the fill set to nothing and I've got a stroke there. Now that's for the actual group. But again, you can just vary this and you can see as you do that, it will change the value. And that's the easiest way. So just quickly, unless you want to go to each of the individual ones and change them individually, perfectly reasonable as well. What you can also do is click there and go down to the pressures, just this one here, and go to the pressure and change the stroke width. And you can create a variety of different stroke widths very easily. And again, just create that and move that up and down. And also you can save a profile. So you click there, you can save a profile, which you can come back to. So you get more interesting diagonal lines very quickly using that. Now, if you want it to be nice diagonal lines, quick way of doing that, maybe go over here and select a rectangle or any shape and just create a rectangle. Now, obviously at this point, not very much use. However, what you can do, you can paste this design inside. So this group, just select it and I'm just going to go to Edit, Cut. And again, with this selected there, I can now go to Edit and Paste Inside. And you can see now it's pasted inside. It's inside that layer. And I can move it around, so I can just move it to there. Now you'll see there's a line around it. You might not want that. You may want it. But if you want to go, just go back to the rectangle and just go there and maybe go there and go to the swatches and just set that to nothing. So you can just now see the design without any line, obviously the line around the edge of the rectangle. And again, you can still manipulate this group, modify the individual ones, as well as change the colours. So if you want to, maybe go for red, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.